Ever wondered how a burst of solar energy could potentially turn our world upside down? Imagine a day when the sun doesn't just rise and set, but unleashes a storm of cosmic energy that engulfs our planet. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's a solar storm, a very real phenomenon that could have profound impacts on our daily life. A solar storm, or a coronal mass ejection, is a massive burst of solar wind and magnetic fields rising above the solar corona, or being released into space. These storms are born from the sun's constant turmoil. When a storm is directed towards Earth, it can cause a chain of events that might disrupt our lives significantly. The first sign of an incoming solar storm would be an awe-inspiring display of auroras, those beautiful curtains of light we often associate with the polar regions. These are caused by solar particles colliding with the Earth's magnetic field. However, the beauty of the auroras belies the chaos that could follow. A solar storm can play havoc with our technological infrastructure. Satellites, the silent sentinels that power our global communication, could be severely affected. This means the internet, television, GPS services, and even our mobile phones could suddenly stop working. The world, so interconnected by technology, could find itself plunged into a digital dark age. But the effects of a solar storm don't stop at technology. The massive influx of solar particles could heat up the Earth's outer atmosphere, causing it to expand. This could lead to increased drag on satellites in low Earth orbit and potentially lead to their downfall. The impact of a solar storm doesn't end when the storm does. The aftermath could see half the world's population grappling with a significant rise in temperatures. This could lead to widespread health crises and put enormous strain on our healthcare infrastructure. Now, this might sound like a doomsday scenario, but it's essential to understand that this is a prediction based on scientific research and ancient texts. NASA, along with other global space agencies, continuously monitors the sun's activity to predict and prepare for such events. An ancient Indian text, the Bhavishya Malika Granth, also foretells such a catastrophic event. To summarize, a solar storm could potentially disrupt our lives on a scale we've never experienced before. It could render our technological infrastructure useless, lead to a significant rise in temperatures, and even result in the loss of life on a large scale. While this might seem like a bleak future, it's a reminder of our vulnerability in the face of cosmic events and the need for us to understand and prepare for these potential threats. The sun, the very source of our life, could also unleash a storm that we must be ready to weather.